I'd like to thank Almighty Allah for making it possible for us to be here, and also for giving us the opportunity once more to make comments on some of these issues. September 29th at the National Mosque, we had the lecture to mark the 6th anniversary of our independence. And in my comments there, one of my comments was, no government, no leader takes office to come and make life worse for the citizens. Therefore, when we find ourselves in any difficulty, we must come together to solve such problems. Instead of blaming governments, we have to sit together and find out what the problems are. No leader deliberately brings up things that will kill innocent citizens in any place, in any community. So today we're here for the launch of this vaccine. And almost 15 years ago, upon assumption of this office as the Sultan of Sokoto, as the President of the Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs, as the Chairman of the National Council of Traditional Rulers of Nigeria, we had a lot of comments being said about polio vaccine. And we took it upon ourselves to put up a committee of senior traditional rulers in the northern states of Nigeria, where the problems had been there, when people kicked against administering these vaccines to our children. 15 years ago, we started this. Within the first 1 year, the figures dropped to 1 digit from 3 digits. And that emboldened Bill Gates to come down to Sokoto to discuss with us how he could support. And through the Ministry of Health, and luckily for us also, the same person whom we worked together to put this committee is the same Minister now of Health. So it's a coincidence, and I think it's a very useful coincidence, because we all believe in the same thing. The health of our people is most important to us than any other thing. So coming together to talk about this launch today is also very important as religious leaders, because we know this is our day. When I say our day, I mean traditional and religious leaders. We are the ones who talk to our people, either through mosques and churches, or through our various communities as traditional leaders, and they listen to us much more than the politicians. But they know the politicians how they are. During campaigns, you see them. After elections, you don't see them. But they see us every day. And so the two institutions are most important in working with the governments at all levels to fight this menace.